Hi there. Today, we're going to learn how to make a new booking through Squadin. When we want to make a new booking, we first need to make sure that the venue we're interested in has online bookings enabled. For example, in the venue screen, we see there are two venues. One of them has an offline badge, meaning it does not accept online bookings through Squadin. If we click on it, we'll see a red notice indicating that online bookings are disabled. That means we cannot make bookings for this venue yet. Let's go back to the venue screen and choose another one. We see that this one has online bookings enabled. Click on the court or click the book button. After that, the new booking screen will appear, where you can choose the date. Then, for the selected court, you'll see all the available time slots. Select the time slot that you're interested in, and choose whether it will be a weekly booking or not. After that, click Continue. A booking summary will be shown with all the details. Once you've reviewed everything, click Book Now. A success message will appear, confirming that your booking has been successfully completed. Other than this, there's another way to create a new booking. Go back to the venue screen. On the top right of the screen, you'll see a button labeled New Booking. Click on it, and the new booking screen will open. The first step is to find the venue. Choose the sport and filter by time. Filtering by time means finding a venue that has a specific time slot available. You can also search by text or list only the bookmarked venues. Then click on the filtered venue and repeat the process we explained above. That's how you can create new bookings in Squadin.